What is up, everybody? Hunter with Lost Socket Garage, doing a little shop update for you. We're outside because it's really nice, and this is where the first car we're going to look at is going to be at, and it's not pretty. So let's get into it. All right, this is our 67. Gonna need a little bit of metal work on this, as you guys can see, but this is gonna be the next roller that we do as a shop. If you guys are interested, since it's at this point, we can kind of build the suit. But awesome donor car. We're gonna be cutting this up. We got a long while before we're gonna be cutting this bad boy up though. So this is the first one. Yes, we can make these pretty again. Crazy, right? All right, let's go inside. Okay, it's a flag I found on the road. So next one on the list, this is not going to be the next one we do. This one's kind of cool though. It's got a 347 stroker in it, 67. Bunch of issues as far as rust is concerned, and I'm sure if these tires actually hooked up, the majority of this car would just poof away. But great candidate for Coupe to Fastback. We'll be getting into that one in, I don't know, a month or two. Hi, Derry.
Hi.
What you doing?
Bracketry.
Bracketry?
You will respect my authority.
Doing some bracketry. Derry's installing the bracket kit on this one, which is almost done. We've had to do a shit ton of work to this one. Pull front, basically A-pillars. We had to do kick panels, cowl. Derry's been cranking on this bad boy. So this one, fairly good shape. Did some mini tubs, as you guys can see. Now, one of the things that we have talked about before to pull panels together is essentially using angle iron to do so. And we do this normally on like the quarter panels, and then we'll do it on the filler panel up here to pull that quarter in. One of the things, you know, this is really, really good to pull panels together, but sometimes when you're welding it on, it can actually damage the metal. So Derry came up with this great idea where essentially he just puts a spacer in here using like cardboard or something. Then he just tacks four corners and it works perfect. And then all you got to do is just chop these off and grind them off, and then there's no panel warping or anything like that. So good job, Derry.
Thanks.
Still got to weld in the wheel wells here. Doors line up fairly nice. So this one is almost done. We still need to tie down the cowl. Oh, Black Betty, Black Betty had a child, I don't really know that song. Do you know like the words to that song? I know.
You know the sounds of the song.
I know. Black Betty, meow, meow.
Whoa, Black Betty, bam, lamb. Whoa, Black Betty, bam, lamb. Black Betty had a child, bam, lamb.
Black Betty, meow, meow. Black Betty had a child?
That song?
Huh?
Does anybody?
I'm sure someone does. So this is Black Betty. Solid car. Again, there's a couple of little repairs rest-wise that we're going to have to do, but this one's going to get converted next. After this one is done. Oh, look! The Nugget! Hello, Nugget. Beautiful piece of machinery. So the Nugget needed some more metal. So we did a brand new dash. We did brand new upper, lower cowl, and a full firewall. And I still have some work to do on this. We're gonna put these connectors in. I gotta clean up kind of like the bottom, etc. All right, so one of the things that you guys should be aware of if you're doing a new floor pan, or if you're doing floor to firewall patches, or a new firewall, repop stuff is cut and stamped to fit the other repop stuff. So if you do new floor to firewall patches, typically what happens is that transmission tunnel has a certain bend to it, okay? Your floor goes over your firewall, goes like that, right? This angle on a stock floor pan is actually a little bit, let's see, wider than what they come on repop. So if you're just doing floor to firewall patches along that trans tunnel, you're going to have to bring that trans tunnel down to meet your new patches. If you're doing a firewall as well as a full floor, those actually fit together super, super nice. You don't have to really do anything with it. So that's your little tip of the day.
That's what she said.
That's all done. We still need to get this on the rack. I need to do a little bit more work underneath and finish up the cowl. Now, this Ford F1, we will be getting to the... Shh. This Ford... What a die clown! This Ford F1, we will be getting to eventually when I finally hire another welder. This is going to be an undertaking because I've never done an F1 before, so this should be fun. 69. So 69 is still in this crate. I still need to do a video, the measurement video of a stock 69 versus the Dynacorn body. Should be getting to that fairly soon though, just because we did actually get the Mustang 2 suspension for this in, as well as the brakes. So we'll end up starting on that soon. A lot of you guys ask questions about where we get all of our parts from. We are Dynacorn dealers. We get all of our metal from Dynacorn. However, recently, because of inventory and pricing, etc., we have switched over to getting all of our parts from CJ Pony Parts. Now it's the same exact panels. I just get them faster from CJ, and they have an awesome selection, as well as they have a great inventory on average of parts that I need. We've partnered with CJ Pony Parts, so if you guys need parts for your classic Mustang, classic Ford, and they make stuff for newer Mustangs and Fiestas and stuff like that too. So go to the link in the description. It really helps out the shop. Easiest, freest way to support the show is like, subscribe, comment. Other ways you can further support the show, you can join our community down below on YouTube or on Patreon, get access to content earlier, go to our website, buy merch. Also, if you guys are buying Mustang parts, go to CJ Pony Parts in the link description below. Helps out the show, super awesome. If you guys are looking for walkthroughs on different Mustang repairs, if it's not on our channel, just leave a comment below. Let us know what you guys want to see. We have a ton of information if you're looking to do Coupe to Fastback conversions yourself, or if you want us to do it, cool. We can do that too. Till next time, do what you love. Don't be a dick. As always, never be tamed. Peace! I am on YouTube Live. Fuck, dude. Like...
You ever recorded a video before?
Nope. Fucking apparently not. So until next guy...
The Wicked Witch of the West, dude.
Fuck off. Is that what the Wicked Witch, is that how she laughed?
That was more the fun monkeys.
Monkeys don't fucking laugh, dude. I just watched Wicked like a week ago with my kid. Do the monkeys laugh?
I don't know, I've never fucking seen Wicked. I'm talking about the original Wizard of Oz.
Do the original monkeys laugh?
Yeah, like fucking howler monkeys.
I'm gonna Google that, and if you're wrong, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I never realized how terrifying the flying monkeys look.
Let's see. Are they laughing?
The ball. Now fly! Fly!
I don't hear yelling. There's no laughing. These monkeys are not laughing. You're fucking fired!